I think after such a long time, we have reached a situation where peace and tranquility prevails, where people are able and in a position to pursue their dreams and their aspirations. So my message to not only the youth but to everyone would be that it is only if we have peace and tranquility can there be development, and only if there is development will we be able to all prosper together. And therefore we should shun this path of violence. It does not get you anywhere. You just have to see outside how the world has moved on, how India has moved on, and therefore embrace the future. And the world over, the future lies in shunning violence. And if we do that, it will only hasten the process of ushering a new era of development and prosperity in the state. We have been doing these Sadbhavna projects for many years now, in fact more than 2 decades. Every idea which is there, and Sadbhavna is one such idea, had its relevance in a point of time. 20 years ago, when the situation was bad, when the local administration could not reach out to far-flung areas to carry out developmental activities, at that point of time, the Sadbhavna projects which were undertaken by the army and the other security forces too helped a long way to ameliorate the sufferings and the needs of the local population, so that we do not do duplicate effort and we carry out those activities which are synergized and which will go in a better way and a more efficient way to bring relief and succor to those who need it.